You gotta wake up. Wake that ass up. It's time to wake
What's
that
good, y'all? It's
ass
your boy Willie coming at y'all with another Bone Thugs reaction. You dig? This is Bizzy Bone responding directly to the Migos. The last reaction I did, Assassin, that was more just to all mumble rap. This is directly for the Migos, you dig? So we about to get straight into it, y'all. Make sure I hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other diss reactions with Bone Thugs, you know what I mean? Lazy Bone, Bizzy Bone, you know, and I'm also doing throwback reactions every day this month, you know what I mean? Throwback hip hop, of course, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, y'all. You dig? He said, age restriction. Thugs.
Since the dawn of a new era, known as hip hop AD.
Oh, it's about to be fire.
Fucking Biggie Smalls unsolved murders. The genre of rap music has searched for its new foundation.
You know some Star Wars shit.
The labels begin to request the formula to the Bone Thugs in Harmony sound, with the likes of Drake leading the polygamy of studies, listening day.
Oh, Drake got a honorable mention in this disc too. Drake said, let me go ahead and get the honorable mention real quick for stealing the sound real quick.
Night in the studio and then procreating the sound. The industry crowd and keen, and while paying homage to Bone, there was no reason for alarm. Soon after this maneuvering, artists all over started being influenced by those Bone Thugs in Harmony-esque cadences and flows. The Migos, Offsides, Tequila, and most notably the unknown third member who wasn't left off bad and bougie, as previously predicted.
What he just call Offset? Say Offsides. Yo, he's making sure he talking that shit before he even gets to rapping short. I know that the song about to be fire, y'all, just from this intro. Oh my god.
Stated that they never even heard of Bone. They opted to know that the influences as the 666 Mafia, known in the Bible as the mark of the beast and the number of Satan.
Is that low key jab at low key jab at 3-6?
Oliver Beck. As the end of the golden age approached, it is said he arose to another plane and carried his temple to the mountains to avoid the skinny jean emasculated era of hip-hop. We found him chopping wood in these said mountains, along with his albino runaway lioness from the San Francisco animal prison, Keisha. Upon meeting him, he had no contact with the outside world for ages. We informed him of the Lazy Bone and Migos beef. He looked at us with his double-barrel classic shotgun, and this is what he had to say.
I fuck with that he put this on their family account too, Jam TV. Make sure y'all subscribe to Bizzy Bone's family account. But I liked how it was like in an English accent because he was really twirling around a musket. And 21 Savage called it a musket because he's British. He's British. He could have said shotgun, but he's British, so he said musket. That should have gave it away right there. Like, who the fuck says musket? We should have knew, y'all. Let's get into it, though.
Children,
Carbon
does anyone know
monoxide.
what rhymes with ego?
Get a gas mask.
A billion streams on Vivo, bringing about as much chips as you can get in a quarter bag of Doritos. BG, I'm a Nike fan. I hit you with one of these combinations. I
BG knockout.
Complications, and then I do my Takashi dance. Schmurder was a case that they gave me. Dear God, it's me a little lazy. We was robbing niggas without no father figures, and that's the way that wish got shot by crazy. It's karma, niggas. I put you in garage mode. Mouth to the shots fly. These niggas don't want no smoke. I give them carbon monoxide.
Niggas don't want no smoke. I'm give them carbon monoxide. You did. Y'all, I love that he's name dropping too, y'all. I love it, yo. I love it, y'all. I'm here for this, Bizzy.
Lock, slide, pop sign. No one can do it better. That's a dock round. Crush your windpipe, slice you with Doc's prime. That's over your head, act your white. This precious metal, hit her with this lead pipe. Smile, bitch, you live in your best life.
Bow.
Let me be brief before my dick speak. Socks on, break your iPhone so I can go to sleep. Load the clip, pop it in, cock it back, ride around the block. These niggas call me OG. Bitch, you as old as me. Likes IG. Trolls, they don't like me. So I scroll through their page, take cliff notes, and give them that Chris Lighty. Come down off the ledge. Talk to me, Chris.
Chris Lighty.
You little niggas don't know who y'all fucking with. Oh, it's on.
Bizzy Bone just took him out by himself, y'all, with this one right here. This one right here is cold. Y'all, just the substance in this shit, y'all, and how you put it all together, y'all, and the clips, too, with the visuals, that shit's nice. That shit's nice, y'all, like when we said live my best life, had Lil Duval pop up and shit, y'all. Bizzy Bone definitely, this definitely a clean-ass diss track.
Murder was the case that they gave me.
Murder was the case that they gave me.
Murder was the case that they gave me. Battle rap, I'm the answer. I'm blacker than Jack Panda. It's magic, cause I'm a savage. That's 21. Goddamn, I'm a fucking gun. Public enemy number one, I'm lawless. Word of flesh and bone, let's get carnivorous. The AK-47 with the cartridges. Banana split personalities, both reflections. My third eye is a narcissist. A pen dipped in black void. Wi-Fi for y'all, bitch. I'm rapping with my eyes closed, cause I don't need my consciousness. Meanings, I crafted it, mastered it. After this, plastered this all over the visual adages. Imagine it, the gram was only a portion of the passages. And then if you look at the tube, see the move, infinite math, bitch. Ooh. Stop the track. Let me talk to these niggas. Cause dash ion the smash list. This before the pit. I speak to Kim as a mastiff. Right before the movie, make me classless to the masses. I gotta tell my daughters that your ass ain't your access. My people seen the lowest of the evils.
Oh my gosh. He would talk to Kim like a dog. You know what I mean? Say, I'm gonna teach my daughters ain't all about the asses. Yeah, it is.
Not a secret. Every dog scared of mama. Who mama Medea. Cock back and Sharkeisha. Reverse the science and body.
Sharkeisha, no!
Time's up, time come. Deja vu. I'm in effect. Just a fixation. Call me J. New. All of a back.
Oh my gosh. Why'd he kill it? Why'd he kill it like that, y'all? Bizzy Bone just killed it, y'all. This is the end of the series of disses, y'all. I don't think no one's gonna respond to this. You know what I mean? Honestly, I never thought they was, but this one right here is fire, y'all. The beginning, the intro and shit like that. I was like, man, I think shit's gonna be fire, but I wasn't expecting this either. You know what I mean? This is a lot more than I thought it was gonna be. For real. Murder was the case that they gave me.
Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that
They gave me. Bah!
Murder was the case that they gave me. Murder was the case that they gave me.
Bizzy Bone, y'all, carbon monoxide, y'all. You know, he said I was dealing with that carbon smoke, yeah. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, y'all. Hit that thumbs up. Bizzy Bone killed that, y'all. I fuck with that, y'all. I fuck with the visuals, you know what I mean? Y'all, his bars and that intro was fire, y'all. I loved how he was name dropping too, y'all. That shit was definitely, you know what I mean? Definitely needed, you know what I mean? Let them know. And let them know what you talking about, you did. You know what I mean? Remember, y'all, it's your boy Willie. Liddy.